Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about 3 things you should do when you have a toothache. 1. Carefully clean the oral cavity when you have toothache. You should pay more attention to clean your mouth. If you don't brush your teeth carefully, a large amount of dental plaque accumulated in your mouth may aggravate toothache. In addition to brushing your teeth every morning and evening, it is better to clean your teeth with dental floss, which can effectively remove dental plaque in your mouth and help relieve toothache if necessary. You can also use mouthwash recommended by your doctor to help clean your mouth too. Visit the dentist. If the toothache is very severe, it is better to see a doctor in a regular oral medical institution instead of taking painkillers at home. Don't think you can pass the pain in a few days. This oral disease that can make your teeth ache will not heal itself like a cold, but will become more and more serious if you treat it earlier. The pain will be less and the cost will be less. 3. Regular oral examination. Most of the common oral diseases, such as tooth decay and gingivitis, are chronic. If oral health is neglected for a long time, small oral problems will gradually accumulate into acute inflammation, which will make your teeth ache hard to endure. It is necessary to form the habit of regularly checking the oral cavity so as to discover the tooth problems at an early stage. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.